Good morning. It is the 3rd of August 2018. It's Friday, and as most of you know, Friday is my favorite day of the week. Unfortunately, Friday this week is not going to be any different than any other Friday because I have to work all day tomorrow. I do my own scheduling, and yeah, I scheduled myself for a Saturday. I took a couple days off this week to take my daughter to an appointment and another day for a personal day. So I got to work Saturday to make up for it, and Saturday's just going to be a bunch of small little pain in the butt jobs. A full day packed full of handyman jobs from one to the next, probably 8 to 10 hours worth. Today we have a client who has shutters that had blown off of their house, 3 of them I believe, and we got to put those shutters back up. We got to patch a piece of drywall, and the brick mold around our front entry door is rotted at the base, so we got to change out the brick mold and maybe more. I'm not sure. She sent a picture, but it's really kind of hard to see what's going on with some of the pictures taken by customers. So we got to go to Home Depot and we got to get some materials so that when we arrive on the work site, we have what we need with us. So let's just roll this intro and get to work. There we go. I think this ladder's got to move over until it's touching the other shutter. Otherwise, there's not going to be room. To put it back up. I got to be careful climbing ladders. My knee gives out every once in a while, so I take one step with both feet. Now that one's loose up at the top too. I'll have to tack that in for him. Alright, so you see this hole right here has the old plug still broken off in it. So the new one ain't gonna get in there. So we gotta cut the head off this one and push it through. Get it out of the way. I'm gonna run a drill bit through here into that hole, and that'll clean out the plastic. And just like this. Let's see how far that goes in. It goes in right to here. So that's how long it is. Now we'll see how that matches up to the shutter fastener. That's how far it goes in right there. We'll see how that matches up to the shutter fastener, and if we have to cut a little bit off the shutter fastener, we will, so it doesn't bottom out in the hole before it's flush with the front of the shutter. When you put shutters in, you always You drill the shutter holes for the fasteners, so it goes into the mortar, not the brick itself. This is the one that's been cut off. Line it up with that and put it in. I gotta get a little higher here for the other one. And you can see they're in there too. Yeah. Alright, so this particular client does not want his busted shutter replaced. He'd just rather have some black duct tape put on it. So he give us some black duct tape to use. And put it in here and out here. That's what the client wants. Didn't want to replace it. Bottom holes are clear. Now you always start with the middle plugs. This way it holds it up for you while you're trying to maneuver the other stuff around. And what I'm going to do is stick this plug through more so I can see it. I'll line it up with the hole like that. And then we'll get the next one in. Up here at the top. Alright, so it's starting to rain, so I'm going to show you this pretty quick, but all of the alright, so it's starting to rain, so I'm going to show you that the shutters are all back up. We've done other things here too today. We've done some drywall repair. We've done some trim work. and closed in. I guess that his dog has a habit of chewing the dryer vent louvers, so rather than put new ones on, he just wanted a wire mesh over it, so we did that too. I'm not going to show you any of that. This was just all about how to put shutters into masonry. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, you want to see more like it, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be notified when I upload more. And I usually try to upload at least once a week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.